Look at all these birds. What is going on? They're going crazy. What the hell is this? Shut up. Quit being sensitive. What the heck is this? Stupid fly. What is this? They're going nuts. Oh my god. Where are all these birds coming from? Oh my god. Where are they coming from? No, bro, I'm going inside. This is scary as hell. What the heck is this? Where the hell are they coming from? What the heck? I can't be the only person who thinks this is absolutely insane. You guys probably can't even see what I'm seeing in full. If you could, you'd be scared as hell too. I mean, I like birds, but this is terrifying. Where are they all going? Where are they going?
To the flock of the leaves over there.
What the hell is going on? Like, this is happening from, like, out of nowhere. What is going on?
Probably October, that's scary season. Oh, God turned the plague into the
Bro, what is going on?
You're doing the Moses time again, Zoe?
What the heck? What is this?
Wait, what time is it, nigga? Zoe, what time is it?
What is this? No, I'm not coming back outside. This is creepy. I recorded enough. I'm done. What the heck?